Here I have HUAWEI P10, and today I'm going to show you how to access developer options on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, then you have to go to the system section, about phone, and here you have to find the line build number and tap on it with the finger several times until you get the message you are now a developer. And now you can find developer options here at the system section. And here they are, all of our very interesting and very useful developer options. You can also disable them here and they will disappear from the settings list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.